It did. Just like when you fry them. Oh, look at that. And look at the meats. See, the crust is wonderful. Let's try it. Oh, is it? Spring rolls. You want to know how to make it? Let's go with the food ideas from me today. elvielins.com.
What I have here is minced beef or ground beef, stir fried with fresh onion, garlic, and green peas. At the end of your cooking, you can maybe add like a dash of cornstarch or flour, so that the meat will stick together and they will not have any sauces that is coming out from the wraps or the rolls while you're baking them.
This is a tray that I have put parchment paper or baking paper, and on top of it there is a butter just in case it will stick. And what I have here is like a very thin flour. I don't know, it's a wraps, and we will be wrapping the minced beef mixture that I have just cooked, and then we will put it here, we roll it, and then we put it into we bake it, so we don't fry it, so that we don't get those unwanted oils that we consume from the frying. So I have oil to the side so that we won't be that sticky when we roll this pupia paper or pastry spring rolls. You can make your own, or you can get ready from the grocery store. Basically, this is really super thin. Here we are in different kinds of shape. It doesn't bother me actually, because this is not for sale, this is for us to have a meal for lunch. And so before I put this to the oven, I will have to put some butter here. This is butter on top of it, so that it will be crispy when they are cooked. I believe so. So we will see. And probably oil is also okay, but I think butter would be nicer. Here we go. Our spring rolls is ready, and that is the color after it has been about 30 minutes from the oven. And now we will make the sauce. I have some simple sauce for you guys to share with. So I will have honey here, and I will have the apple cider vinegar. We'll do the 1:1. See how it tastes. I like the sour and sweet. you don't like this, you can use ketchup. That's right, or some other sweet sour taste kind of sauce that you think you can have in your fridge. Okay, dip into the sauce. Hot. Perfect. Food ideas for me? elvielins.com. It was so hot.